Automatically insert image in Google Slides presentation with the Pabbly Connect. So if you are also creating an automation workflow in Pabbly Connect where you are stuck that how to upload the images in Google Slides presentation, then this video is for you, because here I am going to teach you how you can replace this existing image, basically how you can upload a new image in your slide, and not just an image, how you can also upload the relevant text along with the image. Okay, so here you can notice I already have a data into my spreadsheet in which I have all the competition name along with the city in which I am going to organize the competition, the date, time, address, and of course the image URL which I would like to upload into my competition banner. Okay, so if the competition is about the dance, then I am going to upload this image into my Google Slides. If the competition is about song competition, then this image will be uploaded automatically into my template. And if the competition is about painting, then this painting related image will be uploaded into my Google Slides, and in this way other details will be also updated automatically using our automation software here in place of this particular data. Okay, so let us start the process. Okay, so firstly I am going to close all the tabs. Okay, so this is my Pabbly Connect dashboard where I have already captured the Google Sheets data. Okay, so let me show you. I have connected this spreadsheet with the Pabbly Connect and I have already captured the first row data, that is the dance competition, city is Pune, date is 2nd June, time is this, address, and here we have the image which I have already shown you. Okay, let me also show you the same data in this response. Alright, so here we have all the data, that is the competition name as dance competition, the city of the competition, the address we have the date, we have the sheet, we even have the image URL. Let us cross check whether it is the same image or not, and yes, it is the same image. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so we have all the data, and now I will show you how you can create a new image into your Google Slides presentation. Okay, so here I will search for the Google Slides application firstly, and just like firstly I have connected my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, now I am going to connect to the spreadsheet with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I am going to create a new presentation and then I am going to upload the image in that existing presentation. Okay, so that is why firstly I will go with this action event. Now clicking on connect, and instead of going with the new connections, I will go with the existing connection because I have already made this connection multiple times. If you are a new user, you will have to go with the new connection only and provide the access of your Google Slides account. Okay, now it is asking that using which particular template you would like to create your Google Slides. Alright, so I would like to use this specific template, that is competition banner template. Okay, so that template is already got selected, and as soon as you will select the template here, you will notice that the below fields data will be changed automatically based on the variables I have in this specific template. Okay, so let me show you. I have in total 1 2 3 4 5 variables in this specific template, so that is why it is showing 5 fields here. Okay, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is how based on the template selection these fields vary. Okay, let me provide the data into the next field, that is title of the new presentation. Okay, so whatever the banner, whatever the presentation I am about to create, what should be the name of that template, name of that presentation. Okay, so instead of providing this name manually, I am going to use the above data which I have received from my Google Sheets. And the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. When you will click on this field, you will find the same data, the above data here in the drop down. Okay, so firstly I will map the name of the competition, that is dance competition, then I will add a hyphen with a space, and then I will add the city. Okay, in which city this competition is going to conduct. Alright, so this is going to conduct in this Pune city. Okay, so dance competition banner for, okay, how about I remove this, okay, for dash city for Pune city, okay. So this is how the name will be created, the name will be provided to my new presentation. Now it is asking that in which location this presentation, this Google Slides should be created, okay. So how about I create a new folder in front of you, okay. So I will provide a random name, something like all banner images for competitions, okay. I hope it is looking good. Clicking on create and my folder will be created, okay. Well, where is the folder? Okay, currently this folder is blank. Coming back to my Pabbly Connect dashboard, and here I will firstly click on this refresh to fetch new items so that I can access that newly created Google Drive folder, okay. And here you can notice the same folder name is visible at the top only, which I have selected. And now finally I am going to map the data, okay. So we have the competition name as dance competition, we have the city name, I guess Pune, yes, I do remember that it was Pune only, asking for the date, time and address, okay. So I just need to provide the data from my Google Sheets data. Well, the date was 2nd of June, the timing was, I guess, of 11 to 1 p.m. and the address was, I'll have to check for this address, which was ABC Auditorium, okay. So as soon as I will click on this button, you will see a new presentation will be created automatically and the data will be added here automatically in this template, okay, using this template, okay. So fingers crossed, clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response to be received here. And once the response will be received, you will notice that the template will be created. Basically it should not be template, we should call it as a banner, okay. Here you can notice, let me check and open whether the data has been added, has been replaced or not. And here you can see Playwood Activity School is organizing dance competition in your Pune. Well, I think in place of in your, it should be in your city Pune. So I think I should make this correction into my main template, which was competition banner template, okay, in your city. And here I will add a hyphen, okay. Let me also correct the spelling. And this is the new presentation which we have just created, and here you can see how the whole data has been added here automatically, okay. And I think in our name there is no space left, okay. So how about I firstly delete this existing slide so that I can re-update it, I can recreate it, because this was something. Alright, take out from slash, no, I don't want to take out from slash, okay. Alright, so I have deleted that existing presentation, okay. So this is my Google Drive folder. I will be clicking on that save and send test request button once again, but before that I'll have to correct the name, that is, it should be a space, there should be a space in between these values, okay. I hope it is looking good. And now finally I'll click on this button once again, and this time the template will look good for sure. Basically I have updated the name, okay. So the response is received once again, and let us check this brand new competition banner. And here you can see currently the name is also looking good, and here we have the dance competition in your city Pune. Well, it is looking absolutely fine. Now the very important thing for which we are actually creating this automation workflow is how to upload the images in your Google Slides. Well, you just need to click on this plus icon and search for the Google Slides application once again. And let me tell you, in place of creating a new presentation, this time we will search for this upload image in presentation action event, okay. And we will connect it once again with the existing connection only, okay. And as soon as I will select the brand new banner here, number of images I have into my slides, the same number will be reflected here, because I have a single image only. So that is why we have a single image field only, okay. And instead of selecting this presentation from the drop down, again I am going to map the data. And if you are not sure what is this mapping, so whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. But if I will provide any data manually, then this data will remain same. So that is why I'm going to remove the existing data, and then I'm going to map the ID of that presentation. Okay, so basically I would like to upload the image in this recent banner. Okay, so I can easily map the ID from where? From the previous step data. Okay, let me show you. This is the response which we have fetched. Okay, and this is the ID which I am going to map here. Okay, and again let me tell you, this ID will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so I have selected the template presentation ID, and image replace method I will keep it as center inside only, asking for the slide or image. Okay, so remember we have already captured the image URL of the dance competition. I am going to map the same URL here from this Google Sheets data. Okay, so this is the image data which I have already shown you. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for the response to receive in the Pabbly Connect. Alright, the response is received, and here you can see how that existing image has been replaced automatically from my Google Sheets data with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is how you can easily upload the image into your Google Slides presentation automatically using Pabbly Connect software. Okay, in this particular case I am picking up the image related data from the Google Sheets, but again it is up to you that from which particular source you would like to fetch your image related data. Okay, I hope it is understood, and now it is up to you whether you would like to execute this automation in real time or whether you would like to execute this automation in bulk. Okay, so if you want that as soon as you are adding a new data, this automation should be executed in real time, in that case you will have to enable this send on event option. But let's say you want to create these banners using this Google Sheets data in bulk automatically, in that case you will have to enable this send all data option. Okay, so let me enable the same option here. Okay, here you can notice it is working, and now I am expecting that multiple Google Slides presentation will be created automatically using this Google Sheets data. Okay, so how about I refresh my Google Drive folder here. Alright, so here you can notice once I have refreshed my folder how the templates, the presentation have started creating automatically into my Google Drive folder, and if I will open any of the presentation in front of you, you will notice that the images have been uploaded automatically. Okay, I just have to wait for few more seconds. Okay, so let us check, fingers crossed, whether the image has been uploaded or not. And here you can notice the city has been replaced as Delhi, the competition name has been replaced as song competition, and since it is a song competition, that is why the relevant image has been added, and even the details also replaced automatically. So this is how you can entirely automate the process of image uploading task with the Google Slides and Pabbly Connect very easily. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.